Welcome together with Matsuri! What shall we do today? Let's play it by ear.
Let's all play video games.
We have to. I really hate to lose. I just want to snuggle a cat.
Or dog.
Or both. Oh, see, I think I'm gonna cry.
And it's true when we're together, there is nothing we can't make fun. We can laugh, we cry, and share all our feelings under the sun. And it's true we woke up today hoping we could lift you all up. So let's all swing and we'll breathe the sunshine for you to soak up.
We can't spend every day searching for fun. Responsibilities are guaranteed to come. But when we stop to look up at the sunshine,
We know by the glow everything will be just fine. Each new morning brings bright possibilities. We'll shine and dance and sing. Nothing of it is what a dazzling view. From colors all around, starting to stay with you.
will always take my heart down.
Standing side by side, we can't say for sure. Our paths are open wide.
Who could know what's in store?
Let's all rise and shine. It's not too late to start. Our journey's all aligned.
We'll never be far apart. Look up, the sky is clear.
Not a storm cloud in sight.
I can feel the sun on my skin. It's amazing how pretty our world is. How can I share this joy? With a high five
Or a hug.
together. True, it's a miracle.
And it's true the weather may not always be this sunny and nice. If it rains, storm, it could stay till we live and take our advice. There's a million different ways your day could go after you wake up. So be strong and strong, rooting for you know if the sun will rise
When
up.
night is stormy, it's hard to wake up. You may even feel you've already had enough. But a rainy sky is still kind of like this. So just take your time and be proud of your journey.
Each new morning brings bright possibilities. We'll shine and dance and sing.
Nothing to finish.
What a dazzling view from colors all around, starting to stay with you.
Will always take my heart down.
Standing side by side, we can't take for sure. Our paths are open wide.
Who know what's in store?
Let's all rise and shine. It's not too late to start. Our journey's all aligned.
Yes, we feel it inside our hearts.
With the powers of sun, song, and dance, take our hands and take a chance. Together, let's all keep working towards making each day worth waking up for.
M-O-S-U-R-I.
We are Matsuri!
Good morning, Holiday Matsuri! Let's do introductions.
Before I start, I want to say thank you so much for you guys being here. I'm not gonna cry. Thank you so much. Like last year, we were doing these songs in the maid cafe room by herself, and we cried like 5 times throughout the process. Thank you so much for allowing us to be here and supporting all the other idols. Thank you so much, holmat!
Thank you.
Okay, I guess I should probably introduce myself. Hello, everyone! I'm Kay. I'm the red gamer idol. Is this easy mode?
K-O!
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Kalina is cute. Kalina is
Cool.
Kalina is
Sexy.
That's right. I'm the greedy idol who wants to be all 3 things. Thank you. Hi, everyone. What time is it? Peggy time! Thank you so much. Hi, everybody. Peeking out from behind the rain clouds. Rain, rain, go away. It's your ray of sunshine. Hello, Holiday Matsuri. I'm Mimi, the Royal Purple Idol. Mimi Hina! At your service.
Now, every morning with morning sunrise is a very special one, but we have a very, very exciting one coming up soon. Oh, I know. It's Christmas. Christmas! Christmas! Christmas!
I'm so excited because you know what that means.
Presents! Cookies!
Presents and cookies, yes, but also who's gonna bring the presents and eat the cookies? Oh, our families.
Yeah! See, you're always
Okay,
right.
I
Lance can help me out here. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Where's Santa?
Merry Christmas! Santa はいますかいないわけありますかいるじゃいるじゃさてのちゃん赤い服の由来なんか気にしちゃいけないいくつになったって信じてるサンタのおじさん今年で15回目クリスマスいただきますますメリークリスマスジャカジャカプレゼントお待ちしてます1、2、3、ゴジングルベルクリスマスペニちゃんのちょっといいとこ見てみたいはいサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタペニちゃんのもっといいとこ見てみたいはいサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタサンタクリスマスお正月ラビースコがマラスのクリスマスちゅうことは